Independence Day. When we come to India's history of independence from the British, the dawn of the 15 August 1947 was the beginning of an era of ending from British colonialism of more than 200 years. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru had mentioned in his first speech that India's gaining of independence was a test of dynasty in his freedom speech. He also said that struggle for freedom from long years of slavery is a tiresome one, as witnessing the sacrifice of many freedom fighters who laid down their lives on the line. So it's time to take a pledge. British rule began in India in the 17th century. At the beginning of the East India Company, it subdued local kingdoms. It made themselves after the Battle of Plassey as a dominant force and control over the country by the 18th century. After that, East India Company was replaced by the British Crown. In the wake of Indian Mutiny, it had direct control over Indian. The period of World War I was considered as the form of British rule. It began Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi led the independence movement. Gandhi ji led the nationwide non-violent non-cooperation movement and civil disobedience movement. In 1929, before the Independence Day, 15 August 1947, at the Lahore session of India National Congress declared the Purna Swaraj. Later on 26 January 1930, the INC again declared as Independence Day at that time. The Congress called on people to pledge themselves to civil disobedience and to carry out the Congress instructions issued from time to time until India attained complete independence. The grand celebration of Independence Day created the stroke of nationalistic fervor among Indian citizens. And it forces or relinquishes the British government to granting freedom.